The People's Front DPF Vice President Paulnam Sundar stated that the regional party bars sitting or former MLAs and ministers from joining the DPF party to preserve its core mission of eradicating corruption. He was addressing the gathering at the launch of the political party's official website www.dpfmanipur.org and the concurrent leaders meet at Hotel Yaifaba in Tangal Bazaar today. The event was also attended by DPF President Dr. Naringbam Rajiv Kumar, State Returning Officer Samjit Sabam Mangoljal, and several leaders from various assembly constituencies. Speaking further, Sundar highlighted the growing menace of corruption in the state, noting that many educated youths who lack money or refuse to grease the palms of corrupt officials remain jobless. He claimed that a primary objective and a mission of the DPF is to encourage these youths and support their zeal to collectively fight against corruption. Highlighting the party's core principle to eradicate misconduct, the DPF Vice President cited the barring of sitting MLAs, ministers and previously elected legislators as the main strategy to achieve this. He added that this policy will enable those who truly aspire to contest elections in a free and fair manner to realize their goals.
Corruption yam tawgraba miyam gi damga thajaba magraba batik yam chama emeli mis oramagashu leibu wathu na thuse thuga leyangon bharat ki mayokta natraga national party ki mayokta natraga na leiba central political party ki mayokta noina tawjo lali chitok katar gadi ai hai batol se ki twe hai dana maram dam gi damukta lawbugam gi dama mayamam oirabadina hosi leiba minister emeli ki marakta su che seng ya ko khoi da thajaba thamle marabaduna regional political party state political party moy democratic people's front da han karu gom da yawlo hai se leba ki achu ko khet tawrage aramba uchen pikpa natraga mathau dani te mi te yahon jara hai